Welcome back to 20 minutes in the shed, except we're only doing 10 because we're chill like that.
Yeah, we're having a chill day. So
doing a bit of cleaning, a bit of chilling.
And we're getting used to using the camera. So this is a bit of a test run because...
Dal's arm's going to fall off.
My arm is going to fall off. I've got a Canon 90D here that is quite heavy.
Does look a bit heavy. Why don't you get like one of those walkers and handle
I need to get one of the dongles. No, what's the...
I have no idea.
The bits that make it not move when I'm dragging around like this.
Sit on the lawnmower
An anti-mover.
Anti-mover.
But
yeah, so in this episode, we are going to have a chat about what we're doing this season. And pretty much
could be a lot.
Relevant information is we ain't fucking leaving.
We are not.
But we are... Yeah, everyone's been a bit... We broke the internet the other day putting everything up for sale.
Yeah, a few phone calls later.
Yeah, Monster Trucks this weekend too, and Grafton Speedway, if anyone wants to come. Chris is going to come.
We've got are we doing Dirt Stock Nationals?
Kinda-ish, not really, clusterfucked.
Yeah, not as good as what we wanted, not exactly what we wanted to do, but...
We have a plan to do it for next season. We just couldn't do it for this weekend because we ran out of time.
And it become harder than it needed to be.
Yeah, harder than it needed. We're having a clean up, getting ready for off-season.
I'm trying to learn how to drink straight Jack Daniels, but I'm just a pussy.
Yeah, Chris
Jim was meant to get me Coke, but...
Straight Jack Daniels it is.
Yeah, like $300. It's a lot of money for a bottle of Coke.
That is not what I wanted. What an idiot.
But so everything was for sale. Well, everything still is for sale.
We sold a couple of cars.
Got
a few things going, so...
Yeah, evidently where Guards has sold his and is getting a brand new one. So... Be good to see him in a nice brand new chassis. Holy shit, I've got a hand cramp already.
2 minutes, Dale. Come on.
It's literally 1:57. 2
that
minutes
is horrendous.
In. But, yeah. So, yeah, not too much is going to change. We have got a few things in the work. We're just trying to sell some shit to get some more coin put on to...
whatever we sell, we get to use. So.
Yeah, it's pretty much free money.
Yeah, it's pretty... Girl maths, free money.
8 minutes.
Come on, Dale. Get in trouble.
Come on, cuz.
One job, Dale, not to be in trouble. I don't think anyone cares, Butcher.
Wait, we need to do the 12 hours this year. It's coming up in September.
The Bathurst 12 hour?
No, the one to Queensland Raceway. 4 people, 12 hours, 1 car.
What is it? What sort of car?
It doesn't matter.
We'll use the AU. Min's got a drift car. We'll use the AU.
No, let's take the Swift.
Yeah, Swift would work.
Let's do it.
But
probably not going to do it.
Yeah, back to the actual plan is we're not going road bike racing.
We are going road bike racing. Look at it. There's a road bike here.
We are actually in the hunt for a Formula 500. If anyone's got a cheap one,
cheapie,
send it our way. So we are looking for one.
We're just trimming up to get the 500.
We're going to employ Minion as a full-time driver because he's the only one that'd fit.
Seriously.
We've bought the R6, so we're going to pull the motor out of that. I seen one today, 15 grand with an R6 in it. I assume that's that motor.
You would assume so, Dale.
I don't know. I'm not a bike guy. But essentially, for next season, Chris will still be racing
modifieds.
Dirt modifieds. Guards still be racing dirt modifieds. Kurt will
be racing
if he gets his finger out of his ass.
Yeah, he'll still be racing. So.
Then you just shoot his pants.
He does the worst farts. Sketchy farts.
Other than that, I'll still be in the proddy. Probably only going to run a handful of meetings.
Yeah, I'm going to
titles and that.
I want a proddy. These guys are fuck. This place is a prison.
This place is a prison.
I'm leaving. I hate it.
But yeah, we will. Everything's pretty well staying very similar. We have established we've got shitloads of mowers. I don't know what the hell's going on there. What the helly?
3, 4, 5.
But yeah, not sure exactly what we're going to do with the sportsman car.
I got to do a front clip on it.
Well, yeah, we got to do a clip on it, but then it might just sit in the
up the top.
Modified.
I made a phone call this morning, Chris, to Davey.
Yeah.
And Carson's right to start in a limited sportsman at 10.
Yeah, right.
So
that'd be pretty chill. That's fucking wild.
So, but the good thing would be he can do the full season here in junior sedans, then we'll go race
Fucking
sportsmen
modifieds.
in America.
That's wild, eh?
Yeah. Utica Rome.
Utica? Only Utica or?
Not sure. I didn't really speculate, but
Because
the kids won 3 races in a row at Utica.
the 10-year-old.
Yeah, I don't. Like, Davey did say his name, but
Pretty good effort.
I can't remember it.
Yeah, right. That's wild.
But yeah,
Getting
10
beaten
years
by a
old.
10-year-old kid to be wild.
Yeah,
Be
it's
embarrassing,
limited
actually.
sportsman though, so it's not like it's super competitive. But still, for a 10-year-old to go win, it's
Anything in
fucking
America is competitive.
hectic. Yeah, even being fat, you'd lose at that even over there.
100%. Oh, pardon me.
But yeah, so still got some shit for sale. If anyone wants to buy a car, we've got
Heaps.
heaps for sale. That one there's for sale.
Everything's getting fixed and sold.
Everything's getting sold, so we can save some more money up to go on our next venture.
Yes.
But we're keeping that one a secret till
It happens.
it happens. So you'll have to, and you'll probably find out on here first. So you'll have to just watch. You never know when
Tune
you're going
in.
to find out.
It could just be chilling already. We could already have one.
Yeah,
You never know.
we have 2 things at the farm.
We do have a couple things at the farm.
Yeah, they are pretty
But-
chill like that.
Yeah.
We also bought a new pipe bender, and we've got a lot of dies.
And they're real heavy.
They're real heavy. Some of them are like 100+ kilos.
I didn't lift ours. Single one of them.
Me
Jim did.
either. I was pretty stoked about it. Minion, you happy about it?
Oh, I was so. I'm sick from you to put them back in the truck.
They
You
look
always
heavy.
got to look up and live.
Look up and live.
Okay, Dad.
The camera footage on this is real mint. Like, the quality of the video
Makes me look better.
Yeah, we just need someone to film. 'Cause this sucks.
Dale doesn't do anything anyway.
I could film, but they'd take your job away from you.
Yeah, then Dale would actually have to do some work.
I'd be standing around doing nothing.
He'd be like, oh, I don't know what to do with my
I'd
hands.
be like, Minion, come film. You're like, oh, I've got to lay down and sleep today.
Oi. My dad doesn't buy my race cars.
Yeah, he's pretty chill at that, though.
I'm pretty sure my dad bought you a race car, though. Your first one.
No, I got given a drive. but
Oh,
you
you got
It's
you.
the exact same thing.
Shout out to Ashel.
Oh, Chris, I did have someone whinge and complain ridiculously after the last video that he didn't get a shout out for his many helps at the Australian title.
I have no idea.
Furphy was very upset that
He
we
didn't
didn't
even wa- he doesn't
thank
even
him.
watch.
He watches. He says he doesn't, but he watches. So thank you, Andrew Firth
and Pete.
and Hessian's Auto Parts,
For helping out at the title.
helping out at the Australian title. A big help in our team and our efforts up there.
Shame we sucked.
We did suck.
That was a bit of a shame.
We still suck.
It's understandable, huh?
Oh.
It happens.
Happens on the big jobs.
Yeah, I don't watch him.
Yeah, he's full of shit.
Everyone watches him, deep down.
Everyone. Even Joel Berkeley watches. It's hilarious.
My dirty one.
I don't think I've watched one either, to be honest.
Shout out to Joel Berkeley. You still suck.
Yeah, Joel does.
I hope
so.
you hear this.
Do better, Joel.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on, cuz.
I thought you were going to win the Queensland title, but you just
Yeah, we were quite disappointed that you didn't win.
You're quite drunk as well.
We were quite. You were quite drunk. I was not.
Oh, well. I made up for both of us.
You and Kurt were annoying as hell.
Oh, Dale. You all right? Sucks to be you.
Yeah, it does.
I had a fun time.
Our newest purchase though. She's sitting out here. It's a bit dark out there.
Swift.
No, the big Volvy. Big orange Volvy. So pretty pretty
No,
good.
nothing, Dale. No, we weren't talking about
You were talking shit.
you. Yeah, probably.
I'll be able to hear it because your microphone
We covered them all. We're like, covered up. Let's
Covered.
go, baby.
covered up.
But,
Red
nah,
up, red
new
up,
Volvy's all right. The old Volvy's playing up, so I've got to keep the old Volvy for now.
Greg gets the order.
Yeah, it's auto. It's pretty chill. Very chill, actually. Real lazy guy.
I respect
It
all
is
this.
pretty razzed up, though. It's got some, like, family portraits and shit in there. It's fucking great.
Yeah, hit us up in the comments if you want to see the family portraits.
There's a couple family photos in there. It's pretty funny.
Pretty funny.
Get taken down. Fuck. Oh, shit.
All right, well, we're nearing our 10-minute mark. Anything else you want to say about what our plans are for next season?
We're just going to chill.
You can chill.
Still going to run Lismore and Grafton. Speedway's there. Nothing's changing there. We haven't sold.
We haven't sold. We're not going broke. If anyone's wondering,
Yeah, there is a lot of people wondering, but we are not broke. No.
as you can see, Our pockets ain't empty, and we ain't hungry no more.
Like,
Look at him, he ain't hungry.
I'm
ever.
never hungry. Ever. Very fat.
But yeah, so no, we're still going to be here. We're still going to race. We're still going to race dirt modifieds and production sedans, and we're still going to run Grafton and Lismore because that's what we do.
We are chill like that.
We are very chill like that. Just, yeah, we're broke. Just probably $1,000 worth of Milwaukee shit sitting behind you, unopened.
It's chill like that.
It is chill like that.
But no, I think we're going to call there for a video tonight, and you can make sure this camera actually works properly.
Yeah, hopefully it's good.
And sound like we're under the water.
Yeah, we were under the water Uber driver room before, so hopefully I'll fix that. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Cheers. Bye.